A very good morning to all of you. Children, today ma'am will be teaching you how to write capital cursive D, E, L and H. Yes, children, how to write capital cursive D, E, L and H. Okay, children? As you all know, before starting the work, what we all have to do here, first of all, we have to write down the date, and today's date is 15.2.21. Okay, children, now let's start the work. Look here, children. Start. How to write D. First come down till the third blue line, a little slanting line, and then a small curve here. Then come back again on the blue line, then move up, then a small curve, then finish it inside the D. This is called capital cursive D. One more time. Come down, a little curve, then turn and leave it inside the D. Okay, children, one more time. Come down, a little curve, then move up, then around. Okay, children, in this manner you have to complete this line. Okay, very simple, children. Come down, go up, make a turn and finish it inside the D. This is capital cursive D. Okay, children. Now we will be writing capital cursive E. Just make first a small e. Yes, in between red and blue line. Small e. Then small c. See, it's so simple, isn't it, children? One more time. E, small e, cursive capital E, and then small c. This is capital cursive E. Small e, then small c. Very simple, children. E and then C. Small e and then small c. Okay, children? Very simple. First make small e, then make small c. Neatly. Now we will be writing L. Capital cursive L. Start from the second blue line. Make a turn, come down, then again a loop, and then slanting curve. Again move up, come down with a straight line, then a small turn. This is capital cursive L. Capital cursive L. Okay, children, very simple. Start from the second blue line, go up, come down, and then a small turn. This is capital cursive L. Now we will learn how to write H. Slanting line, then standing line, a small turn. Then again a standing line, go up, make a loop like we had done in capital A. Again, go up, come down, standing line, a loop. Again, go up, come down, standing line, then a loop. move up, come down, standing line, then a loop. Go up, come down, standing line and a loop. This is capital cursive H. Okay children, in this manner you have to complete the whole line. Okay, complete the all 4 lines till here. Okay children, so write neatly and complete your work in neat and beautiful handwriting. Thank you children. Bye bye.